We got a Honda GCV 170 self-propelled mower that will not start. So we'll verify that it doesn't start on its own. Get you a little bit of starting fluid right there into the carburetor. So that tells you a couple of things. The mower has compression. The mower has spark. Because if it didn't have any of those things, it wouldn't start. You don't need much more than a 10 millimeter on these. You'll take off your base of your air filter. Arm of it, or overstretch that spring. Use them. So just very carefully kind of pry it and see it all comes off. Now here's my ultrasonic cleaner. The only thing I run in here is degreaser and water. We're going to put every single piece of that carburetor. And once you get everything out of there, I mean, it's looking pretty good. You can give it a good blow through with the air compressor, some more carb clean. Get your needle back in there. Put this down in there. Looking good. Then once you get everything back together, I put a brand new air filter in it. Go ahead and start it. Good to go.